to Digital Purchase Order, this is a quick introduction to your options for how to view purchase orders. Once you log in to the system, DPO will take you by default to the View section. Here, you can review details of all purchase orders, including their approval status and their delivery and invoice information. DPO offers you various search options, which can also be combined. On the left side, you can filter your purchase orders to show just your own POs, all POs, POs by budget, POs by department, POs by supplier, POs by expenditure type, and POs by currency. If you have additional user-defined fields called components, you can even filter by those. Once you have selected your relevant category, you can additionally filter your search results by the status of your POs. You can select various options such as pending, approved, void, declined, closed, or all. In addition, you can sort your POs by the most or least recent, or by ascending or descending numbers. You can also limit your search to within a certain time frame. Finally, there is also the option to search by keywords. You can enter any word or number in that field. Even purchase order IDs can be found quickly that way. If you want to run complex searches, you should make use of our advanced filter. Here, you can find various additional filter options which can be run simultaneously. Once you are done with your search, simply click the Exit button at the bottom of the page. If you like, you can download all purchase orders as a PDF document and save them on your hard drive. You can do this one by one if you click on the Page button at the right side of each PO. If you would like to download multiple POs, you can make use of the Batch Print feature and include all relevant POs. There is also a button to move all POs in your current search list into the batch print. Just keep in mind that your batch print should not exceed 500 POs. One last note. Not every user automatically has permission to review all purchase orders. Your PO book administrator is able to limit the visibility of POs for each user. You may only be able to see your own purchase orders, POs from your department only, or none at all. If you have further questions, please send us an email at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call at 1-888-376-7254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please also check our other video tutorials on the main tutorial page.